kijingtip bat gi khobor gi baman la kasni na khwasi kai channel sing bahal subscribe na manta.
We're talking about the Food and Civil Supply, the Food Corporation of India. The packet of rice comes from a very long distance by train and then by road to go down in a state. My question through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, to the Minister in charge, does the FCI department in our state have a quality and quantity check cell for all the goods and rice packets coming to our FCI go down in our state?
That also, I don't have the details with me. I'll go on this.
Mr. Speaker, sir, thank you once again. Sir, plastic rice sets off a panic among the people of our state and also in my constituency. The question arises every day, from time to time. So my question through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, to the Minister in charge of Food and Civil Supply, can the government make an assurance that our rice is safe and free from plastic presence?
That also is a new question, sir, but I have to. This is, I think, all people in the state, they don't know about this fortified rice. Sometimes when the people, they get this fortified rice, they used to ask, this is a plastic rice. But if this allocation, if the people get some kind of that plastic rice, kindly ask these people to complain to our department. We have the district, deputy commissioner, all the district, they can complain that, then we'll take action accordingly.
Thank you, sir.